What I don't know is in this time of shutdown, why landscapers are out with their machines. Like today, it's just been like a constant barrage of landscapers with their leaf blowers. And where I'm at is the leaf blower guys. So they'll be leaf blowing this like empty stuff for like 3 hours. And I know people have to work, but the thing is, like, especially in this time of forced quarantine, we have to listen to these leaf blowers blowing nothing. Okay, I mean, like maybe they need like 15 minutes, but of course, people they gotta milk everything. But it's annoying in general to hear a leaf blower for 4 hours, and then under the stress that we're all in, like, we really don't need it now. Especially, I mean, just, like, it's not an essential thing.